Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Sanya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I do my classic bun. So you don't need so many products to do this hairstyle. I feel personally, I feel like that. You don't need a hairspray, lot of products that people show you. I think you can um, use minimal product but still achieve the sleekest hair, I feel. So if you want to know how I do my classic bun, so please keep on watching. So for this hairstyle, what you will need is a brush, a hair serum. If you want, you can also replace this with hair oil, it's totally fine, and few bobby pins and a hair tie. So what I personally do, I just first brush my hair. After brushing my hair, you can use oil if you want in the ends, but I'm using a serum. I'm just going to take 2 drops of it. You can also use oil if you want, just in the ends. So this, after applying serum, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to part my hair. It just I like my parting to be in the middle section. I'm just going to use my fingers only to part my hair. I usually part my hair in the middle, so I'm going to part my hair in the middle. Just going to sleek down any baby hair we have with the leftover serum in our hand. A small tip that I want to add here is you can also use water to just tame down any baby hair you have. So I do have a bottle here, so I'm just going to take a little bit of water, like just a little bit, just going to like damp my hands. You can also use a water spray bottle, anything will work, just to wet the hair. So after that, I'm just going to take my hair in a ponytail, like a low ponytail. I'm going to make a low ponytail. Sleek it down. You need your hair to be as sleek as possible. I'm just going to after sleeking down your hair, the hair should look like something like this. Then we are going to take a hair tie and going to make a low ponytail. This is what it's looking from the front. Sleek down your hair as much as possible. This is what it is looking right now. So this is what it is looking like from the back. After making a ponytail like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist the hair like this. I have so many layers because I recently got a haircut. So I'm going to twist my hair something like this. I'm going to secure my hair with bobby pins. So as you can see, there are so many small hair popping out. I'm just going to secure all those baby hair, all those layers with help of a bobby pin. And yeah, this is what my bun is looking from the back. So yeah, that's it you guys. Please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. I will see you in my next. Bye.